Yeah, people, welcome back to the channel. Sengard, J, Aquatics, and EV. I'm there with Jordan, your host. Now, in today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of the Indian ringneck parrots, also known as the rose ring parrot or the Cramier parrot. We'll dive into everything you need to know about these amazing birds. So, sit back, go and relax, and make we go in the video. Yeah, people, remember to subscribe to the channel. Now, the Indian ringneck parrots are native to the Indian subcontinent, including India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. They are medium-sized parrots measuring 14 to 17 inches in length and weighs between 4 to 6 ounces. These birds are known for their striking color plumage, with a black or pink ring around the male's neck. Telling the difference between the male and the female with this specific breed, it's quite easy due to the prominent necklace around the male's neck, hence the name Indian ringneck or the rose-ringed parrot. Other ways to differentiate between the male and the females are males tend to have a thicker, more curved beak than the female, and the female tend to have a more rounded head shape than the male. So right here we have a pair. The yellow one would be the male and the bluish whitish color one would be the female. The female is a mutated color. We call those colors the pied colors. So we have to selectively breed specific pairs to get them shade there. But if you guys interested to know more about the color mutations and all of that, just leave it in the comment section. I'll do a video upon that same way. These parrots are omnivorous, which means they eat a wide range of foods, including seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. They are often found in forests, grasslands, and urban areas where they forage for food and shelter. Ringnecks are social birds that strive in flocks. They are known for their loud calls and ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. In the wild, they are often seen flying in large groups, playing and interacting with each other. Ringnecks are monogamous birds that breed in the spring and summer months. They lay 4 to 6 eggs per clutches, which are incubated for about 24 days before hatched. Breeding ringnecks successfully require a breeding box, which should be made about 24 inches wide and 30 inches tall, with an entrance hole about 6 inches in diameter. The entrance hole should be designed to allow the parents to enter and exit comfortably